Hey everyone, in this video, I will quickly show you how to find your QLink wireless account number. First of all, log into your QLink account. First, go to the QLink wireless website, search QLink, then click enter. Log into your account using phone number or email and password. Step 2. Access your account information. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account or my profile section where you will see all your account details. Look for your account number displayed there. If it's not visible, don't worry. If you can't find it online, you can contact QLink customer support at customer services number. The number is in the description box. And that's how you can find your QLink account number quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.